Alright guys, so I'm doing a cab swap on this -4 Dodge Ram 2500 V10, and the donor cab is underneath this tarp. It's a 99 regular cab off of a 1500 rear wheel drive, and so far I've noticed a couple issues doing the cab swap. Nothing too hard. First one is location of the VINs. 94, it's on the dash. Whereas 99, it's on the firewall right here. So I'm using a 94 truck, so I just cut the VIN off the 99, plug welded it and grind it down, and I'll paint over that. The second issue, I'm not sure if all the trucks have it, but this 99, you have adjustable, you could adjust your seat belt. On the 99, the location of the upper mount is different. I think it's a little bit lower than the 94. So all the plastics on the B-pillar and the seatbelt and everything I'm using off the 99. And the other issue so far I've ran into is the mounts for the computer. This is the 99, this is the 94, and if you put them over top, they're pretty close. So that hole there line up. This all lines up. You gotta drill a hole in your 99 computer mount, but these don't line up, and that's kind of important for mounting. But the difference is, it's easier to show you on this one. The 99, this bracket is sitting up a little bit higher, so my solution is just to drill another hole in this bracket and reuse this, but it'd be more of a pain in the ass. But if you wanted to make it look more legit, I guess you could take this and modify that bracket down, but I don't see a point in it. But yeah, so far that's the differences I've seen. There's a couple other things I've already noticed, such as these 3 holes here. They aren't in the 99, but they are dimples there, like it's already punched, like center punched at least. So other little things I'm probably going to run into. But another issue too is your A-pillar. This is a circle on the 90. I think it was, I'm not sure when it was. My 97's got the different ports. So I've got a 97 as well. But this is the style on the 99. And I think it's on my 97 as well. So I believe these doors are off of 95, so they're the same as this. These are the 94 doors. So other than that, I don't really know yet. I'll upload another video as I find out more. Oh yeah, another one is mounting location of this on the 99 is not there. I think it's up here or something. But I just used the one out of the 99. But yeah, so far that's it. But if you're stupid enough like me to do a cab swap on one of these trucks, it might be useful. See ya.